My name is Marcus Harris. I'm a Chicago-based software and intellectual property attorney. Since 1999, I've focused my practice on drafting and negotiating ERP-related contracts and litigating failed ERP implementations in courts across the country. Prior to forming my own practice, I worked in the legal departments of SAP and Infor. I understand how software vendors operate, and I understand what it takes to sue software vendors for failed implementations. Now, some of the signs that we will see in our practice that you might be headed for a software implementation lawsuit will include a scenario where, despite your best efforts to negotiate a software contract in good faith, the software vendor has made material misrepresentations with respect to the software itself or the software's functionality. And what we will see are situations where either the software functionality does not exist or the software does not work as it was represented by that software vendor. One of the other situations we will see is a software implementation that is significantly over budget. Software vendors will sometimes intentionally underbid a software implementation project in order to secure a contract. One of the other issues we see regularly is a software vendor that assigns inexperienced consultants that don't understand the software or have little experience in your particular industry. It is not uncommon for software vendors to use a particular implementation project as a training ground for inexperienced consultants. One of the other issues we see is a software implementation vendor that will take shortcuts with testing. They will either fail to test the software prior to implementation, or they will do minimal testing in order to meet implementation deadlines. One of the other issues that we see, which is a red flag that you might be headed for a software lawsuit, is a software vendor that fails to provide you with software project status updates or fails to provide realistic project updates to you. These project updates paint a picture of the implementation that is simply not realistic, and they do this with an intent to hide issues with the software implementation. If you have any questions about any of the issues in this video or any of our other videos, please feel free to give our office a call at 312-263-0570. Thank you.